Hi guys, Seagull Fluffy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys where the hidden cosmetics are in Racoon Flyers. So let's get into it. If you want to get the lightsaber, you're going to have to complete the laser maze. So if you want to get the white crystal hat, you're going to come here, and it should be like here or here. If you want to get the go back button hat, you're gonna have to complete fan the button, and I'm gonna show you guys where all the buttons are. So let's get into it. The first one is up here. One is in the corner over here. And then the last one is on the branch here. Okay, so if you wanna get the hat, you're gonna have to complete Glass Bridge. Then you're gonna come behind here and collect it. If you want to get the coffee cup, you're gonna come over here, go in the fridge, and then you're gonna go all the way over there and collect. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope this helped. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.